could do something different. And he entrusted this task to us, all the regimental centers. Today, we take pride at the Army Ordnance Corps Center in saying that over the past 24 weeks, we have trained, we have grilled, and we have nurtured the best into the finest. And today, as the first batch of Agniveers pass out from the Army Ordnance Corps Center, we are confident and we are assured that wherever they go, be it at the glacier or be at the China border or be it at the sand dunes of Rajasthan, they will do wonders and they will bring name, glory and fame not only to the families and the country but to the whole Indian Army and the vision which has been thought about by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I wish all the Agniveers and their families all the best and wish them that they do well and bring glory to everyone around.
यहाँ हमारी 14 वीक की ट्रेनिंग थी जिसमें हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा। यहाँ सीखने को मिला हमें हमारे उस्तादों से, इंस्ट्रक्टर से बहुत कुछ सीखा हमने और हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा हमारी ट्रेनिंग के दौरान और हमने अपना बेस्ट करके दिखाया। आज हमारा पासिंग आउट परेड है, ठीक है, तो इसमें हमने बहुत मेहनत करी। इसके लिए हमारे उस्ताद ने बहुत मेहनत करी हमें सिखाने में, तो मैं उनके बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ कि उन्होंने